double-tone pandan cupcakes. Isn't it just the cutest? This isn't just any cupcake. This is a double-tone pandan dream, a fluffy cloud of fragrant goodness, topped with creamy swirls and crunchy sprinkles, all brought to life with a little help from my little sous chef, my son. Baking together is one of our favorite things to do. The pandan fragrance, the fluffy texture is pure magic. And today, I'm sharing our secret with you.
Okay.
In a clean bowl, separate egg whites from yolks. Crack the egg. Transfer the yolk between the two halves of the shell while allowing the egg white to fall into a bowl. Repeat this process for each egg needed, ensuring no yolk contaminates the white, and after each separation, inspect the bowl for any yolks or shell fragments and wipe it clean with a paper towel if necessary before proceeding. This step is really important. When whipping egg whites for cake, it's crucial that they are free of water or yolk because any trace of fat or moisture can inhibit the whites from reaching their full volume. Transfer the 4 egg yolks into a bowl. Now let's heat 56 ml of canola oil or vegetable oil. You can use microwave to do that. Heat the oil in warm state to touch. Pour over the warm oil into the bowl. Now let's add on our flavoring. First but not least, our natural pandan extract, which is a concentrated liquid derived from pandan leaves, prized for its aromatic and flavorful essence. If you're using real pandan leaves, simply blend fresh pandan leaves with water. Strain the mixture and use the resulting liquid as a substitute for pandan extract in recipes. And today we're using 1 tablespoon of pandan extract. Half of tablespoon of good quality organic vanilla bean paste. Using good quality vanilla bean paste in chiffon cake enhances the flavor and aroma of the cake. It combines real vanilla bean seeds, providing a more intense and authentic vanilla flavor compared to artificial extracts. Gradually add in 80 grams shifted cake flour, or you can do your own 8 gram cornstarch plus 72 gram plain flour at home. Next ingredient, add in 4 egg yolk. Add in 76 ml water, or you can replace it by milk if you like. Mix all together until there is no lumps. Get the vibrant rich green color. Smell like pandan too. Set it aside. Now let's move on to whip our egg white mixture. Use the stand mixer to mix 4 egg whites that we separated before. While whipping the egg whites, why not head over to our website hankery.com and sign up for our newsletter. As a special thank you for joining our first 10,000 community, you will receive this exclusive access for free downloadable ebooks. After 1 to 2 minutes beating the egg mixture, you can start to observe the bubbles. Then, now is a good time to add on a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, or you can replace it by a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Adding a small amount of cream of tartar to the egg whites can help stabilize them and create a firmer foam structure, resulting in better volume and stability. Adding the sugar slowly helps to stabilize the foam and create a finer texture. Just be careful when you add on the sugar, not at a very high speed. You can adjust to slow speed to add on the sugar slowly and adjust back to medium-high. The foam will become thicker and more opaque. The secret to our incredibly fluffy pandan cupcakes, perfectly whipped egg whites. This meringue is the backbone of our light and airy texture. Now for the magic moment, we continue beating until the meringue forms stiff peaks. If you leave the beaters, the meringue will form a peak that stands straight up or even slightly curves at the tip. This is how you know it's ready. It should be glossy and holds its shape. See, perfect stiff peaks. This is exactly what we need for our fluffy cupcakes. Now the delicate part, folding the meringue into the cake batter. We don't want to deflate all the lovely air we just whipped into the egg whites. First, we add a spoonful of meringue to the batter. This helps to lighten it and make it easier to incorporate the rest of the meringue. Using cake whisk to do the circular motions until incorporate slowly. Be careful, we want to be thorough but gentle, incorporating the meringue without losing its volume. See how the batter is becoming lighter and airier. That's exactly what we want for our pandan fluffy cupcakes. Folding until the meringue is fully incorporated and the batter is smooth and evenly colored. Once done the folding, we're going to divide the batter to create 2 shades of green. We are taking about 1/3 of the batter and placing it into the smaller bowl. Adding few drops of pandan essence. This will intensify the cream color and give us a beautiful two-tone effect. And look, my sous chef is helping me to put the cupcake liners. Now let's fill our cupcake liners. We start with the lighter green batter. Using a spoon or a small scoop, we add a little of the lighter green batter to each cupcake liner, filling them about halfway. Don't worry about being perfectly precise. We're going to create a swirl effect anyway. If you have yet to subscribe my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out any upcoming recipes. Baking with kids is one of the most fun and rewarding experiences. Watching my son's assignment as he got involved in every step is fascinating and priceless. It's not only about making delicious treats, but also about creating memories, teaching them new skills, and sharing the joy of baking together. Next, we can pipe the darker green batter and add a spoonful on top of the lighter batter in each liner. Now, creating this artistic part, swirl. We take a toothpick, anything pointy will work, and insert it into the batter and do a swirling 2 batters together. You can create a spiderweb effect, a marble pattern, or any design you like. Just be careful not to overmix, as that can make the cupcakes less fluffy. Look, you can really get creative with this. Each cupcake will be unique. And there we have it, beautiful double-tone cupcakes, ready for the oven. The swirl effects adds a touch of visual magic, making these cupcakes even more special. And let me write the W and more on the favorite number of my son. While doing so, make sure you preheat the oven to 130 Celsius or 266 Fahrenheit. Once done the swirl effect on the cupcake, now it's time to send into the oven. Bake at 130 Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, increase the temperature to 140 Celsius and bake for an additional 10 minutes to achieve a golden top. Once they bake to perfection, let them cool in the tray for about 5 to 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key here. Trust me, the wait will be worth it. While the cupcakes cool, we prepare the whipped cream. Light, creamy, and slightly sweet. It's a perfect complement to the pandan flavor. Use the pure whipped cream around 150 ml and 15 grams of caster sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste essence. Whip until fluffy, or you can choose ready-made bowl-stored whipped cream. Pour into a piping bag and pile onto the cupcakes. And now my son's favorite part, the sprinkles. He loves adding a generous sprinkle of colorful confetti to each cupcake, making them look festive and fun. And look how enjoy is he.
No,
Too much.
Take it out. Okay, now blue for me. Alright, done.
And there we have it, double tone pandan cupcake, bursting with flavor and fun. The fluffy texture, the fragrant pandan, the creamy whipped cream, and the crunchy sprinkles. It's a symphony of sensation in every bite.
These, I'm going to eat one of these. Like polystring.
Polystring.
Now let's hear the verdict directly from my son.
Oh, so beautiful. I haven't drunk it.
Let's see how the cupcakes look like inside. Wow, look at the beautiful swirl. The two shades of green are beautifully marbled throughout the cake, creating a visually stunning pattern. You can see how the swirling we did earlier created this unique design. It's not just pretty though, the marbling also adds a subtle variation of flavor and texture, making each bite even more interesting. Here's recap my Pandan Cupcakes recipe, or you can go to hankery.com to print out recipe. Don't forget to check out my next video to pick with your kids, Teddy Bear Chocolate Souffle Cupcakes. Links in the show note below. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share your own cupcake creation with us. Until next time, happy baking!